For somebody who, let's say, has been sleepwalking through his life, whatever age or state he is in right now,
Hmm.
he has been chasing things and going, like you said, with blinders on and isn't aware. How, what would your advice be that he does to start on the path of spirituality to bring more awareness in his life? And from what I hear you say, it is different for different people. That resonation has to happen with experience. But for somebody who's, let's say, at this point in time lost in life,
Hmm.
if he wants to come back to a path that gives him somewhat of a direction, what should he go about doing?
First and foremost is for a person who's wearing those blinkers on and just moving about. There is nature taking care of things. Nature will give him a shock because at these times, during these situations where a person is completely lost to the reality of things, there is only one way, you know, and that is a shock. People may call it sorrow. Yes, sorrow again comes in only to wake you up. Pain comes in only to wake you up. But to understand that this pain has come in to wake me up, it will take courage. Maybe books could help him. Maybe a good friend who could help him. Society is meant for this actually, because when one is lost like this, for him to come to a realization that I am lost is very difficult. Then the external influence is there, either the external influence of society or parents or friends, or life has its own ways, universe has its own ways, this cosmic consciousness has its own ways. It will wake you up because internally the soul is wanting to wake up. It could come through some shock. It might not be an answer that you would have liked, but that's how it is. Unless and until one wants from inside to change, that change can never happen.
I think I understand what you're saying. At some level, it does look like, um, a difficult one for everybody to digest.
Yeah.
But I think that's how forces of the universe balance as well.
Yes.
When one extremity becomes too heavy, the nature sort of takes course
Yeah.
and balance forces.
Yeah. It's again the soul's choice at the end of it. The being had to go through all these experiences to shed off which was not required. The soul has its own journey. That's the reason we have a night and we have a day. We have a morning sunrise and a sunset. So yes, these are things that happen. We might be perturbed by it. Why is this person not waking up? Why is he not coming to terms with his life or situation? But as a friend of mine, very spiritually evolved friend of mine, somebody who really helped me during my phase of the dark night of the soul. The only thing that I asked him, why is there so much of sorrow and it looks so, unjust? And the only thing that he said was, there is great synchronicity in that chaos that you look at. So, yes, everything has its own reason. So, we might feel bad for somebody, we might feel helpless for somebody, but that's the only way then. That's where detachment should come in.